How to get started with Printful and connect an Etsy shop. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video I will show you how you can easily make use of Printful and also how you can easily connect it in your Etsy shop. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, you need to visit printful.com. So what is Printful? Printful is a print-in-demand platform that can help you create your own like hoodie product, t-shirt, bags, accessories like hats, phone cases, mugs, and you can customize your own design for this kind of products. So here, as you can see, we have sample products over here, and these designs that you can see here, these are the design that you can customize on your own. So to get started, you need to first create your account. So just click on sign up. And then over here, you can create your account using your Facebook account, Google account, or your Apple account. So I already created my account here, so I would just go ahead and sign in. So this is the main homepage of the Printful once you log in or created your account. And the good thing about this platform is that they are the one who will provide you the product. Like for example, for the T-shirt, for the hoodie, and you just need to provide the design that you want to be printed on that hoodie, T-shirt, mags, etc. that you like. And once you provided the design, they will show you the sample preview of the product that you can easily download the image. And once you have the image and the design, then you can just easily post it here inside the Etsy store. So Etsy is a really good platform to sell different products online. It can be a product or services. You can sell it here inside Etsy. And the good thing about Etsy is that it has million user every day, and there is a high possibility that you can really make a sale here inside this platform. So for example, here we have the hoodies and sweaters. So here you can see that we have different design here for the hoodies, and this is what we can do inside the Printful. So we can create this kind of design, and Printful will be the one who will be providing you the material, and they are the one who will be printing the design for you and send it to your customer's address. So to do that, you just need to go back to the Printful, and since we already logged in, you just need to click new order here at the top right corner. You can see we have the new order button. Click on it. And over here, we have two options. The first one is basic order. You can customize any of their 338 premium products, or you can also order sample order. That will give you 20% discount, one order per month, and three product per order. So over here, let me just go ahead and select sample order for now, since I will just show you some tutorial video. And the next thing that you can do here is that you can add your own product or create your own product. So over here, you can select the product that you want to create inside the Printful. So here we have different categories. We have for clothing, we have for hats, accessories like bags, socks, shoes, phone cases. We also have for home and living. We have brands over here. We also have collections if you like to. So let's just say I will just go ahead and select the men's clothing. And then over here, I will be selecting hoodie. Let's just go ahead and look for hoodies. So we have hoodies here. All right, so we have different style of hoodies again that we can make use of. So for example, I will be using this one. So over here, you can easily drag your design here if you already have your design created using different platform. Like for example, if you created a design from Photoshop or from Canva, then you can just easily drag and drop your design here inside this platform. And over here, you can also choose different techniques. So we have the DTG printing, and also they have this embroidery. This is like sewing. But let me just go ahead and select the printing over here. And then here we have also the colors that we like. So for example, we will be having the natural color, And then also over here at the top, we have the design. So here you can just click this one and you can just upload your design over here. But if you want to create your own design inside the platform, then you can also do that. So just click design here. And over here, you can just add your text, add clip art, or you can also add a quick design or premium images if you like to. So here you can just simply add text, or let me just go ahead and go back to see all design, and I will just go ahead and click the add quick design just to make everything more easier for me. So over here, you have a ready-made design here that you can just make use of for free. So for example, I will just make use of this one. All right, so we have this one over here. And over here, as you can see, we have this square here. And this square, we should put all our design inside this square or else it will not be printed by their system. So let me just go ahead and make this one bigger. So for example, this is our design for the front. But if you want to design the back, you can also do that. Just click back and then you can just drag your design again over here or outside label if you like to. Or you can also design the left sleeve or the right sleeve if you like to. It depends on you guys. So let me just go ahead and keep the front design only. And once you're done with the design, you can just click continue. And over here, as you can see, we have our product, the hoodie that we will be using, the design, and then here is our mock-up. So you can click the mock-up or the preview of the mock-up, and you can just download this mock-up and you can make use of this image to post it here inside the Etsy store. So let me just go ahead and proceed with the next step. So I will just scroll down. So here we have now our subtotal for $27.95. So we have our discount for $5. So the total fee will be $22.36. And this is quite expensive because we just ordered the sample one. But of course, once you order in bulk, then you will save more. So here you can go ahead and continue to shipping if you like to. And you just need to provide the billing information. So once you're done with your shipping and you added a product inside your Printful account, then the next thing that you can do is that you can connect your Printful directly to your Etsy account. So we can just choose a platform here. And then here we also have Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Wix. But for today's video, let's just go ahead and select Etsy. And over here, we have our guide. So first, connect your Etsy account, assign product, and upload print files. So here, let's just go ahead and click connect to Etsy. And over here, we have this message: an application would like to connect to your account. So over here, you can just drag and then just click allow access. And with that, it will connect to our Etsy account. So I guess that's all for today's video. And if you have any question, just comment down below, and thank you for watching.